Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detective YouTube channel, and today we're trying a drying towel out. So a few months ago we received a package from the guys at GT Shine, and this is their Royal Plush Ultra Soft Micro Drying Towel. So this is what we'll be using today to dry the van. So I've literally just finished washing it. The van is ceramic coated, so hopefully it should be pretty easy to dry with this. So let's just go through the instructions if there is any, and let's have a look. So it says the Royal Plush drying towel is designed with super soft 1200 GSM coral fleece microfiber, resulting in a highly absorbent drying towel that is safe to use on delicate paintwork, wraps, or surfaces that are prone to scratching. And then it says the highly dentified fibres are deep and plush, allowing the towel to absorb water and abrasive particles away from the surface, greatly reducing the risk of swirls and scratches. So let's have a look. It says to use, directly lay it over a wet panel, lightly pat over the towel until the surface below is dry. So that's pretty much it. And then it says alternatively, the Royal Plush can be used by laying it over a wet panel and then gently pulling the towel by its edges along the wet surface. Both actions absorb water deep inside the fibres, resulting in a scratch, swirl and streak free shine. So let's get this out and let's try it. So like I say, the van is ceramic coated, so it should be pretty easy. So yeah, let's give it a go. So the towel's not too big, but hopefully because of its how plush it is and how well it says it's very absorbent, hopefully it'll be alright drying this van. So yeah, we'll start and see how far we get. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it over and drag it across, see how it performs. So it is drying all right. There's a few fibres coming off it, but I guess it's brand new, so we would expect that. So that's this side fully dry, and yeah, it's pretty good. There's no streaks being left behind. On white paint, it's quite hard to see, but yeah, it looks like it's pretty much dry. So what we'll do now, we'll go to the back, see sort of how it performs there, and then we'll go and do the other side. Okay, that's the full back done. The towel doesn't seem to be getting that wet, to be fair, so it is absorbing it quite well, and there's no streaks either on the paint or the actual vinyl itself. So yeah, it's doing good, and it's doing exactly what it said on the wrapper, where it's kind on paintwork and vinyl. So yeah, it's going well. Okay, so now that side's dry. The van's pretty much all dry. The only surface I've got to do is the bonnet and the actual windscreen. So the reason why I've left the windscreen till last is to see how much water it can actually absorb and how it performs on actual glass. So any drying towel would dry glass if you tried began on the glass. So that's why I've left it till last. So yeah, we can sort of see how it performs and to see whether it does leave streaking behind or not. Okay, so there's not actually that much water left on there. It has dried it quite nicely. So yeah, let's move on to the bonnet and then, well, we'll go over my thoughts. Okay, so that is the van all dried using this GT Shine Royal Plush drying towel. So my thoughts on it. To start with, the size, I thought it was quite small. So the normal drying towels that we normally use are sort of like maybe 2, maybe 4 times bigger than this. So yeah, to start with, I wasn't sort of hoping to see much results from it all. The results that I got probably to see sort of like halfway around the van for them to decrease. But I'll be honest with you, I think you could probably dry another van of these or a small car as well after drying this. So the water it's absorbed is, well, there's not really much water in the towel. It doesn't actually feel that wet, so it has absorbed a lot of water. It is damp, but yeah, it's not as wet as I thought it would be. So it has held up to the van quite well. It's not the biggest van, yeah, it is quite small, probably the size of a small car, but still, there's still a lot of panels to go round. So with regards to actually drying the vehicle, this van is ceramic coated, so that sort of has helped. But it's dried the van. You didn't really need to go over it too much. To start with, some of the actual fibres did come out, so I did get a bit of purple on one side of the van. But after it got a bit damp, all that's gone away. So it's quite a nice towel to use, to be fair. And for the size of it, it's not too big, so you can't. It's not one that you're really going to drag on the floor because, well, there's not really the size for it to drop on the floor. But I don't think you need it any bigger if you've got sort of a vehicle this size or a tiny bit bigger. But the real test will be when, well, I guess we'll need sort of like a Range Rover or something to test this on to see how it holds up. But on this size vehicle, it worked. It worked just fine, and yeah, it did the job perfectly. So the size of this, the price of this, this is in dollars though. So this is $22.49, so $22. You can get it in the UK. They will ship to the UK. I think I read on the website any orders over £30, they will ship to the UK like free of charge. So yeah, if you're interested in some drying towels, especially the small kind that can easily dry one of these vans, then yeah, go ahead and check the GT Shine range out. I'll pop their links below because yeah, I've seen a lot of their towels on social media lately. There's not just this one, there are a few others as well, quite a few bigger ones as well. So yeah, cheers for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this this video as well to all the people that you think might be interested, just to sort of get our name out there a bit more. We've got loads of other products coming up. So we've got snow foams, we've got shampoos, we've got fallout removers, we've got interior protections. So yeah, we've got a lot of videos coming up on the product review side, and yeah, cheers for watching, and we'll see you for another video very shortly.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!